These were the scenes in Mitchell's Plain on Tuesday, as community members had running battles with the police. 3 people were arrested for public violence following the unrest, and the burning issue is the distribution of food parcels in the area. It seems that the demand is far outstripping the supply, and the local residents are saying that, of course, this must be extended to all the needy families. Those who work on the ground say school children must be prioritized.
If government maybe can just ease the problem, but for our communities, things will go easy because, like I said, there's a lot of these children that's depending on feeding schemes and at these schools. At the moment, they are not being fed.
The provincial government is looking into the matter.
MEC for Education, Minister Debbie Schaefer, is trying to just get legal clarity also on the issue, because somehow some people have a problem with feeding children. I don't know how that can be a problem. But she's trying to get legal clarity, and we want that to continue.
Meanwhile, a total of 7 people between the ages of 16 and 24 years have been arrested for burglary and looting in 2 separate incidents on the Cape Flats. This man from Manenberg on the Cape Flats, who does not want to be named, says he's counting the costs after the robbery. A crowd stormed into this store and looted food and money.
For me to experience something like that, it's not a joke, man. To see your actual thing in your face and to see a person turn a firearm towards you and shoot you. And luckily for me, I was just like in a wink when I turned my head and the bullet went past my head.
While he may know his tormentors, he says he does not rule out gangsterism.
I can't say it's gangsterism, I can't say criminalism, but the people that came to loot this up is gangsters.
Members of the anti-gang unit last night effected 3 arrests, and some of the stolen items were recovered. We still have more tracing operations continuing. We've also reinforced deployments in the identified areas with the hope that we will be able to restore calm.
The provincial government says there is general compliance on the lockdown regulations, but there are pockets of people in communities embarking on unlawful acts. And for this, alcohol sale is likely to be limited even after the lockdown.
We're going to really look at the limiting the hours that liquor is going to be sold after the lockdown, and because you can just see a clear impact.
Fritz says violent crimes like murder have significantly reduced since the lockdown began. Ulelani Philip, SABC News.